Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to build a Facebook ads account setup. You can refer to this process and apply it to your own case. In this video, I'll mainly focus on the process rather than the detailed farming steps. First, you'll need to prepare the following: a Facebook Business Manager (BM) account, specifically the BM350 type that has been appealed and reinstated. A verified account or one that is undergoing a 902 appeal to manage the page, hold the BM, handle the pixel, domain verification, etc. Another verified account with admin rights to add clone ad accounts to the BM. A third verified account with employee rights to add payment methods and launch campaigns for the clone accounts within the BM. Finally, about 10 clone accounts from European countries like Germany, Italy, etc. These accounts are only used to obtain ad accounts for adding to the BM. Once you've acquired the BM, you don't need to worry much if a clone account gets disabled. After preparing the accounts, you can start assigning permissions, adding pixels, verifying domains, and adding payment methods according to the tasks and functions mentioned above. Before assigning permissions, please keep in mind, each account needs to be logged in on a new device, a new IP address, and a new browser. Logging in and out of multiple accounts frequently can raise suspicion from the website, and it also makes management difficult. If you're thinking of creating multiple Chrome profiles, forget it, it's not effective. Facebook still knows you're logging into multiple accounts at once. When managing a large number of accounts like this, if one account hits a checkpoint, it's likely to affect others as well. The solution is to use the anti-detect browser Hide My Ac with a proxy. This is the most cost-effective and optimal method. Each Hide My Ac profile will have its own set of parameters, and with a proxy, you'll get a new IP address. If you don't manage your accounts this way, you'll likely face issues like hitting checkpoints as soon as you log in, being unable to add payment cards, even new ones, being unable to create campaigns, or having campaigns disapproved. Even if your campaign is approved, the account might still get disabled. The best practice is to use a separate profile and IP address for each account so that Facebook perceives them as different users. Another tip is to leave these new accounts or clones for 1 to 2 weeks before changing the name, avatar, cover photo, and bio for added trust. If you need to manage a large number of accounts, you can explore Hide My Ac's automation feature. You can either use the built-in scripts or create your own. It might take some time to get used to the commands, but it allows you to manage accounts your way. Additionally, if you're looking to nurture accounts, clones, or BMs for sale, Hide My Ac is also useful. You can simply transfer the entire profile. The buyer can then use the pre-logged in account without having to log in again, avoiding checkpoints caused by new browsers or devices. In summary, to build a Facebook ads account setup, you'll need at least 1 BM and 3 verified accounts. For each product and campaign, I use a different set of accounts. When managing or nurturing accounts, use the Hide My Ac anti-detect browser to create a clean environment for each account, avoiding account bans due to matching information on the website. This is a fairly standard process, so just follow it. If you get stuck, you can always look for more information. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll answer them. Thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next one.